everybody. We're at the Grand Floridian this morning. We're gonna have breakfast at Park Fair. This is our first time back since the restaurant reopened after COVID. So come along, let's see what good food they have, and let's check out all the characters that they have there now. So they give you a wishing card with all the character signatures, and on the other side you write down your wish, and then the characters will ask you what it is when they come around. So this is the kids station. They have some cereal. They have breakfast pizza, some tater tots, and they have gummy bears on the buffet. I think that's cool. Fresh fruits, some strawberry with yogurt and granola. They have smoked salmon, capers, cheesy potato casserole, eggs Benedict. Beef and potato hash, some cheesy grits, fresh carved ham, bread pudding with warm vanilla cream, cinnamon pull-apart bread, sausage, biscuits, and gravy. We have chicken sausage, spiced tofu scramble. They have bacon. And then they have the pork sausage, scrambled eggs, and then the scrambled eggs with cheese. And they have croissants with some different spreads. They got strawberry jelly, orange, cream cheese. The cream cheese they got to go with the bagels, and they have different breads. And they do have a toaster that you can toast the bread. And this is the famous strawberry soup. They got whipped cream, fresh strawberries, and then that's the strawberry soup. Started off with the strawberry soup, some scrambled eggs, fresh carved ham, cheesy hash browns, and beef potato hash.
Well, how are you? Good. Having a good time? How's breakfast?
Good, very good.
Very good? Hey, let's begin. Ready for lots of adventure today, guys. Well, that means we will have to do lots of wishing on the evening star. After all, it will be shining bright, ready to make all of our dreams come true. But do y'all have any wishes you'd like to come true today?
I don't know.
Still thinking about favorites, huh?
How about that?
No way, Sid. It's a lot easier to think of your dreams when your stomach is full of your favorite food. So I'll go ahead and get the cookies out of New Orleans, and we'll think of our dreams together.
So, well, then you get to make a wish. Are you making a wish? Yeah, what are you wishing?
Happiness.
If you need some ideas, maybe Monkey Abu has got a list of 1,000 wishes that he wants to make. I don't think he gets to make all of these things, so maybe he can give you some ideas. Yeah. Let me know if you see it.
We brought them to my 7 little friends at their garden. We had to make sure not to pick any marigolds because those always make Sneezy sneeze. Would you like to get a portrait together?
The restaurant has a lot of pretty artwork hanging.
Welcome, wish makers of all, and believe in myself to make it come true. Take a little time. You see our visiting wish makers? They all made their wish come true. And sure, some had a little magical encouragement, but you know what?
I really enjoyed that breakfast. We had a good time, enjoyed all the characters. The food was really good. I liked the strawberry soup a lot. The fresh fruit was really good. The fresh carved ham. Everything was really good. Don't really have any complaints about anything. You should definitely try it out when you come.